Hey engineers, welcome back to Paircode AI. I'm Arun. Today, let's talk about something that hits your credit card directly. How to pick the right Claude model, and how to stop burning tokens. Look at the numbers on your screen. Haiku costs $1 per million input tokens. Sonnet costs $3. Opus costs $15. That is a 15x price gap from top to bottom. If you are using Opus for renaming a variable, you are literally throwing money away. Here is how I think about it. Haiku is your workhorse for mechanical tasks. File reads, log parsing, formatting, simple lookups. Sonnet is your default. 80% of your day-to-day coding, bug fixes, PR reviews, test writing all go to Sonnet. Opus, you save it for the hard stuff. Architecture design, deep debugging, complex refactors that touch 10 files. The rule of thumb. Start with Sonnet. Downshift to Haiku when the task is trivial. Escalate to Opus only when Sonnet is genuinely stuck. This one habit alone can cut your monthly bill by 3 to 5 times. Alright, now the tactical stuff. The commands and habits that save tokens every single session. Left side of your screen. Context management. The single biggest command you should be using is /clear. When you finish one task and move to something unrelated, hit /clear. Otherwise every message you send is dragging around the full history. Costs grow quadratically. /compact is your friend when you want to keep the thread alive but shrink it. And /cost, run it early, run it often. Know your spend before it surprises you. Prompt catching is the hidden gem. When you keep your Claude.md file and system prompt stable, Claude caches them and gives you a 90% discount on those cached tokens. That is not a typo. 90% off. Right side. Prompting tactics. Be specific. Give file paths, give line numbers, give the exact behavior you want. Vague prompts trigger retries, and retries mean tokens burned. Batch your tool calls. If you need 3 files read, request them all in parallel, not one at a time. And please do not read a 5,000 line file just to check something. Use grep first, then read with offset and limit. Combine 70% cache hit rate with the right-sized model, and you get 5 to 10x cost reduction on real workloads. This is not theoretical. This is what teams are seeing in production today. Last slide. Let me give you a decision framework you can use tomorrow morning. Step 1. Is your task well defined? If not, use Sonnet with the discovery skill to scope it first. Do not ask Opus to figure out what you want. That is expensive brainstorming. Step 2. Is it a mechanical operation? Rename, format, extract, list files. Send it to Haiku. You will save 15x versus Opus. Step 3. Does it need architecture deep planning or root cause analysis? Now you use Opus. Otherwise Sonnet handles it. Sonnet is your default 80% of the time. Step 4. Watch your context. If you are past 50% of the window, run /compact or /clear. Context bloat is the silent killer of your token budget. On the right, 5 anti-patterns to avoid. Using Opus for everything. Never clearing context. Reading whole files instead of grepping. Vague prompts that need 3 tries. And ignoring /cost until the bill arrives. Here is your takeaway. Right model, tight context, specific prompts. This is not a trade-off between speed and cost. You ship faster and you spend less. Both at the same time. Thanks for watching. Try one of these habits this week. Share the results with your team. I'm Arun from Paircode AI. See you in the next one.